Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2012 John Deere 5055D. This is a 55 horsepower utility tractor. It is two-wheel drive. It does have a John Deere 553 front quick attach loader with a Euro style mount quick attach front bucket. The tractor has 16/9/28 rear tires on it that are loaded, and then the fronts are a 750 16 SL ribbed tire in the front. This tractor is 3-point hitch, 540 PTO. It has one set of rear remotes. It is power steering. This tractor has 214 original hours. It was sold new here at our local John Deere dealer. It was sold new with a Frontier RC 2072 brush hog, and that's primarily what the gentleman used it for. Tractor was kept in. It is in nice shape. There are a couple dings on the fender, one ding on the hood. The tractor had sat in the guy's shed for a period of time. It did have some old fuel in it. We changed the filters. We did all the filters, went right to John Deere and bought them. Still had a little bit of blue fuel smoke. Every once in a while you'll get a little bit of blue fuel smoke, but it cleans up and really does run and work good. Just telling you that, being honest, we did run some good fuel conditioner through it. Non-emissions tractor. It is the John Deere 3-cylinder turbo in this, and it is a 30, I looked at that earlier, it's a 3029T 3-cylinder diesel engine. We have run it there. We serviced it at 211 hours. Yes, it is accurate. Yes, the tack works, but it currently has 214. By the time this end of this video, it'll be 215 hours. We wanted to run it a little bit to make sure everything was good. Doesn't use any oil. No issues like that. There's no oil leaks on it. Everything is very dry that way. We're going to start you right back here. Actually, let's go up here to the engine compartment. We'll work backwards. How about that, Braden? We're going to go ahead here. Let me open up the hood. There's one dinge up here on this honeycomb material on the front of the hood. I want everybody to understand that. I'm not sure what he bumped, but he did. Let me open this up. Under the hood, you are going to see, again, it is powered by a 3029 3-cylinder diesel engine. Still going to have the Stanodyne style pump on it here. 3-cylinder. It is a turbo diesel. There is no oil leaks on the motor. Everything there is good and dry. Over here, again, we changed engine oil 211 hours. All filters. We did engine, air, fuel, engine, hydraulic. Over there is trans filter. We did that. I'm going to show you here. Engine oil is clean as can be. And again, we did put a few hours on this here to run it to make sure everything was good. You see up here on top the valve cover, everything there is good. Again, the hood does have some scratches on it. Again, he did bump something right up front here. Everybody to see that. We're not hiding anything there. Loader has level gauge. Again, it has that European style mount. The sticker is still on here. Bucket paint is still on the inside of the bucket and on the cutting edge. Does have the upright exhaust. Park loader stands are there. Is quick detach on that loader. Rear tires were never filled on the tractor. I did send it over and I had the rear tires filled. And you can still see it says Goodyear right here on the tire. The brush hog I don't think was ever off the tractor. You can see the draw bar is in the stowed position. It's never really had anything on it. 2 sets of remotes. Braden, you getting this? 2 sets of remotes. Plug. Factory top links with it. It is Cat 2. Adjustable link. There's a dinge in this fender. Don't know how I did it. There's a dinge there. There's a dinge here in this fender. Circuits are down there for the loader. I'm going to head to the other side, Braden. It has A range and B range in reverse, and then you have 4 speeds over here. You got your up and down for the 3-point. You got your valve there for the remote in the rear. You're going to have your locking differential there. Right here is going to be your PTO in and out. Joystick loader control. For anybody who wants to say the hours, whatever, look at the pedals. They tell the tale. The tractor is 100% original paint. It has not been painted. And again, all the gauges work, fuel and temperature, hour meter. I want to show everybody here real quick before I turn the camera back over to Braden. Step up end's nice. You can still see the markings here from when the wheels were tightened. They're still on it. There's no rust anywhere. Again, it is a very clean, honest tractor compared to some of the garbage out there on the market. Just a nice, honest tractor. Guys, I'm going to start this tractor up. We're going to run around. I'm going to show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. Tractor's got good hydraulic power. We're going to go ahead and go A range. That was 1 through 4. Transmission shifts really nice. We're going to go ahead and go to reverse. Fourth gear reverse. Tractor has excellent brakes. We're going to get a B box, B range. Third gear. Fourth gear. The steering works great. Three-point down. I'm going to go ahead and put the PTO in. PTO out. 3-point up. So, again, tractor shifts good. I'm sure there'll be somebody make some ignorant comment that I shifted and ground a gear. Big deal. These are a synchro shuttle transmission. Tractor shifts pretty decent. You got to have your gearing right there, what you're doing. There you can see the brakes both work good. Headlights work, 4-ways, turn signals. So, guys, again, tractor starts, runs, it works good. It is a nice, original, honest tractor. If you need like a 55 horse tractor, that tractor's truthfully right in season. If you needed something to pull a tether, if you needed something to run a power rotary rake, that'd be an awesome tractor. It sets up nice, it cuts real tight. You got some nice ranges. It has a set of rear remotes. And let's face it, if you wanted to, you could take that front bucket off, or you could take the quick attach front loader off of it, and you've got two more sets of remotes right there off that joystick. So keep that in mind. It'd be a great little raking tractor. It would be something that would be easy on fuel, but it does have the 3029T in it. Again, it had a little it'll have a little blue fuel smoke here and there, but it's cleared up. Again, we did service it, went through it. There are 215 original hours on the tractor. It is a one-owner tractor. Again, we do have the brush hog for sale separately. Anybody that doesn't believe us on our stuff, come check us out. I have nothing to hide. There's not many people out there taking videos like we do today. You'll get a guy that does a 30-second video. He starts it, moves it forward and back, puts the bucket up and down, and that's it. Not many people do an interactive video like what we do. We pride ourselves in doing that. This is what we do for a living. We take it very, very seriously. Guys, you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check our website. We're glad to help with anything you need. And if you got a question, let us know. 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.